The next category is Emerging In-House Counsel of the Year Manufacturing 2021, which is awarded to Ms. Priya Gajwa. Ms. Gajwa is the legal counsel at Baker. She has an astute legal professional with more than 7 years of corporate experience. The next category is Emerging In-House Counsel of the Year Engineering 2021, which is awarded to Mr. Dhairishil Vaidya. Mr. Vaidya is the Associate Counsel at SPX Flow. He has more than 14 years of experience as a corporate lawyer. The next category is Emerging In-House Counsel of the Year IT Female 2021, which is awarded to Ms. Renuka Chaudhary. Ms. Chaudhary is the Director, IMEA Legal, Contracting at Automation Anywhere. She has more than 16 years of experience across multiple industries. The next category is Emerging Corporate Counsel, NBFC 2021, which is awarded to Mr. Kisle Karthike. Mr. Karthike is the Regional Head of North and East at Primal DHFL Finance. The next category is Young In-House Counsel of the Year, Telecom 2021, which is awarded to Mr. Manish Singh. Mr. Singh works as an in-house counsel at Indus Stars Limited. He has more than 12 years of experience in legal contract and compliance. The next category is Emerging Law Firm of the Year 2021, which is awarded to VS Legal Associates. VS Legal Associates is an internationally operating boutique law firm. The firm has been founded by two sisters, Advocate Mamta Mishra and Advocate Sushma, for over 2 decades. Ms. Mamta Mishra is the founder managing partner of the firm. I request her to accept the award on firm's behalf. The next category is Law Firm of the Year White Collar 2021, which is awarded to SK Attorneys. SK Attorneys is a leading law firm established in 2015, having offices in New Delhi, Mumbai, and is an alliance with professional lawyers across the globe. Mr. Saurabh Kumar is the managing partner of the firm. I request him to accept the award on behalf of the firm. The next category is Most Popular General Counsel of the Year 2021, which is awarded to Mr. Zameen Nanthani. Mr. Nanthani is the Senior Vice President and General Counsel of UFO Movies India Limited. Currently, Mr. Nanthani holds the position of Senior Vice President and General Counsel of UFO Movies. The next category is Risk Management Firm of the Year Consulting 2021, which is awarded to Conesso Consulting LLP. Conesso Consulting LLP is an independent risk advisory firm assisting organizations across the jurisdictions to define the risks and help in mitigating the same. Mr. Pankaj Bisht is the Managing Director and founder of the firm. I request him to accept the award on behalf of the firm. The next category is Legal Team of the Year, Real Estate and SEZ 2021, which is awarded to DLF. DLF is a commercial real estate developer. It was founded by Chaudhry Raghvendra Singh in 1946. Mr. Manish Lamba is the General Counsel. I request Mr. Lamba to accept the award on behalf of DLF legal team. The next category is Legal Team of the Year 2021, which is awarded to HT Media Group. HT Media is an Indian mass media company based in Delhi, India. For the last 96 years, HT Media has been at the forefront of creating winning content. Mr. Dinesh Mittal and Mr. Sachin Kalra are legal counsels of HT Media. I request them to accept the award on behalf of the team. The whole team of HT Media legal group is there. The next category is Legal Team of the Year Telecom 2021, which is awarded to Indus Stars. Indus Stars is an independently managed company offering passive infrastructure services to telecom operators. Mr. Rajiv Arora is the General Counsel of the company. I request him to accept the award. The entire legal team of Indus Stars is here to accept the award.
Take your time, Anand. Take your time.
The next category is Young Counsel of the Year Automobiles 2021, which is awarded to Mr. Anshuman Kashyap. Mr. Kashyap is the legal counsel of Acre Motors Royal Enfield.
Anshuman is here. I just spoke to Anshuman, 3-4 of them. I know where they. We'll repeat it again. Just look for outside.
Young Counsel of the Year Automobiles 2021 is awarded to Mr. Anshuman Kashyap. Mr. Kashyap is the legal counsel of Acre Motors Royal Enfield. Mr. Anshuman has a wide legal experience of approximately 9 years. He has worked with multinationals like EIDU Pont India Service centered in Hyderabad as a legal and compliance associate. The next category is Lawyer of the Year ADR 2021, which is awarded to Mr. Neeraj Singh. Mr. Singh is the partner at RNS Associates, a science and law graduate from Campus Law Center, the University of Delhi, registered with Bar Council of India. He has been in the legal profession for almost 2 decades. The next category is Lawyer of the Year Corporate Litigation 2021, which is awarded to Mr. Rakesh Kumar. Mr. Kumar is the partner at Credence Law. He has a specialization in corporate restructuring, capital markets, and securities. The next category is Young Lawyer of the Year Female 2021, which is awarded to Ms. Richa Sharma. Ms. Sharma is the partner at Conducive Legal. She specializes in corporate legal and secretarial advisory. The next category is Young Lawyer of the Year Male 2021, which is awarded to Mr. Akash Kashyap. Mr. Kashyap is a partner at Kashyap and Associates LLP. He is an American and Indian qualified attorney practicing in New Delhi and Gurgaon. The next category is Young Lawyer of the Year, Mergers and Acquisitions 2021, which is awarded to Mr. Anish Jaipuriyar. Mr. Jaipuriyar is a partner and heads the General Corporate Mergers and Acquisitions practice at AKS Partners. The next category is Legal Head of the Year, Mining 2021, which is awarded to Mr. Nishant Nandan. Mr. Nandan is the Regional Legal Head at ACC Limited. He has more than 14 years of experience and the next award goes to Litigation Lawyer of the Year 2021, which is awarded to Mr. Sunil Malhotra. Mr. Malhotra has more than 2 decades of civil and commercial litigation and arbitration experience.